friends, I'm Ronnie. Today I'll tell you a beautiful story about kindness, friendship, and teamwork. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest, there lived a kind little squirrel named Sam. One sunny morning, Sam found a tiny bird lying on the ground with an injured wing.
Instead of walking away, Sam gently cared for the little bird every single day with love and kindness.
After a few days, the bird became healthy, strong, and happy.
Fly again! Thank you, Sam. You saved me. I promise I'll always help you whenever you need me. When the storm ended, Sam's little home was completely destroyed. Sam felt very sad.
The little bird saw Sam's problem and quickly called all of its bird friends for help.
Together, all the birds collected leaves, sticks, and branches to build a new home.
Very soon, they rebuilt Sam's warm and cozy little home. From that day on, Sam and the bird became the best of friends and always helped each other. Wow, that was amazing. Kindness always comes back to us in wonderful ways. Remember, friends, when we help others and work together, even the biggest problems become easier to solve.
I hope you enjoyed this story. Always be kind, always help others, and never forget to share a smile. Bye, friends. See you in the next Ronnie Story Time.
Thanks for watching. Here, subscribe.